Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Fully Informed Trade, or FI Trade for short, knowledge for everyone. My name is Alex Cho, and right now I'm going to be talking about the UUP. The dollar index is bouncing. It's bounced off that 50-day moving average, and it's just having a reverse hammer formation. But I'm not going to read too much into it right now because it's not necessarily indicating that it's topping out. I mean, it's too soon. You only have 2 trading days off of support level, so it doesn't really mean that. It really doesn't mean anything basically. What I'm gonna really wait for is to see how well the Euro US dollar does perform over the night session. I think that the Euro US dollar will most likely fall and continue to fall, as none of the major issues really have been fixed. Aside from creating a banking committee that will oversee banks and oversee all banking activity, maybe like the Federal Reserve Bank, like the one you see in the United States, that has supervisory or superior authority or something like that. But this super, you know, this the other thing is that it turns out that the governments may no longer need to meet those deficit forecasts or cut back on their deficit spending by a certain amount. None of those things, the things that Germany worked on in terms of an austerity package, have more or less been reversed. So we're going back to square one again. We're still stuck with the same problems. We just have a European Central Bank, I'm assuming, that has more power to make certain decisions, and that's what's making Wall Street a little happy. But we'll see how it all plays out. Even if in the event, the European Central Bank does get more power and this banking committee does have more power to make more intelligent decisions, it's still going to result in an inflation or an inflationary euro. So we're still stuck with the plain old political or economical risk of owning a euro, and both of those risks are being acted upon right now. So no matter what, I still think the Euro US dollar will continue to fall over the longer term, and I still think the dollar index is still in a longer term uptrend. So I'm just going to sit back and watch the dollar index over the night session and see how it all plays out. But I think the Euro US dollar is heading lower. Um, None of the fundamentals have really changed by much. So take care, folks.